story? You want a story? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a car and an airplane. And they wanted to go to India, yes. And so, first the car said, okay, I will go. So how did the car go? The car went vroom, 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 vroom. No, not take off. It's going. The car is going on the road. It stopped. Why did it stop? Water. Yes, it came to the water, and the car can't go on the water, right? So it was, yes, it can't go, so it got stuck. Oh dear. Yes, oh dear. So the car had to go back. How did it go back? It went zoom, 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 zoom. And stopped. And I told the plane, sorry plane, I can't go because you have to go over the water. And I can't go on the water. So the plane said, water, yes. So the plane said, I can go on the water, I'll go to India. So the plane started, and the plane stopped. Why did the plane stop? It was not at the, it was not where? No, it was not at the airport. The plane needs an airport to take off. But it wasn't at the airport, so the plane couldn't go. And so the car was stuck, and the plane was stuck. So what did they do? They thought. So they thought and they thought and they thought and they thought. Oh dear, there you go. They thought and 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 they thought. And thought and they 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 thought. And finally, the car had an, what did the car have? An idea, yes, I had an idea. It said, I'll tell you what, plane, get on my back. So the plane got on top of the car. Put the plane on top of the car? Yes. And the car went zoom to the airport. Zoom, 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 zoom. Not take off, yes. First say go to the airport. And they stopped. They stopped at the airport. And the plane got off the car. And what did the plane say to the car? It said, thank you. Thank you, yes. Yes. So thank you, car. Now, I'll tell you what. I'll take you to India. You get on my back. So the car got on top of the airplane. How did the car get on the airplane? Yes. And then the plane went, take off. Take off. Take off. Wee, 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 wee. Flying, flying, wee, 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 wee. Over the water, yes, over the water, wee, 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 wee. And coming to India, coming to India, coming to India. Land, yes. Good boy. And they landed, and when they landed, the car got off the
Whoops!
The car got off the plane, and what did the car say to the plane? Thank you, correct. And they said, thank you, plane. And so they were both very happy, and they went all the way home, and they climbed up the steps, and they went into bed, and they went to sleep, and they lived happily ever after. Yay! Story, yes. Story, yes. Car of, yes. Story of the car and the airplane.
Yes, plane.